We are currently at Isa for breakfast. I will give you a tour. Let us go. Alright, let me take you through a food tour of this restaurant called Isa. There's pretty much everything you could imagine. Potatoes, vegetables, mashed potatoes, sausages, there's eggs. This is sweet potatoes, I believe. More eggs, more veggies. There was bacon, hash browns, and more ham and pineapple. There was mango, which I didn't get to try. There was also toast, more ham, an entire table dedicated to jam, an entire table of pancakes and waffles. There was a ton of yogurt, a section for fruits, an entire section of bread with donuts, an entire salad section, and then there was an entire section dedicated to cereals. Going on our very first excursion! After our excursion, I was way too exhausted to vlog, but we went on a sunset walk with the family. The beach was gorgeous, the water was gorgeous, the sky was gorgeous, it was all gorgeous. Dinner part 2 at the Mediterranean place. Chicken and french fries the kids are eating. Again, Jen's part 2 TBD. Upcoming. I forgot to record it, but we're at round 3. Round 2 and round 3 for these kids. We're back at market. Jen's having her classic pizza. I ate a whole steak and mashed potatoes.
Must have pizza.
Where are we gonna go after this?